This portfolio is intended to address two-dimensional design issues. Design involves purposeful decision-making about how to use the elements and principles of art in an integrative way. 2D design principles govern the elements of design. The principles are like the border collie that herds and guides the elements of design, which are the sheep. The principles of design are unity and variety, balance and symmetry, emphasis and contrast, rhythm and repetition, and scale and proportion. Unity and variety is the oneness or wholeness in a design where all the parts work together to create a cohesive whole. Unity and variety work together. Without unity, there would be chaos, and without variety, unity would be boring. Balance and symmetry is about the composition having the feeling of equal distribution of weight. Radial balance reinforces this concept. Symmetrical balance is where both sides of the composition are equal, so that if you drew a line down the middle of the page, both sides would be the same. Asymmetrical balance is where even if the two sides are not exactly equal on a vertical axis, there is the implied feeling of equal weight. Emphasis and contrast are where one part has prominence over the other, as does the contrast of a highly detailed against a shape. An otherwise shabby brick wall is completely transformed and draws our full attention. In this painting, value is used for emphasis, directing our eye to the extremes of light and dark, and also in this painting by Friedrich. In these works, color is used as emphasis. Rhythm and repetition is conveyed through the trees, both in placement and color, in both of these images, and in this Ansel Adams photograph of trees. Here, rhythm is created through invented shapes. At this picture, repetition is used to create strong composition. Repetition in Degas' painting is achieved through the hats. In this photo, repetition is used to describe the glaring social divide of the 1950s in America. Scale and proportion are in Chuck Close's paintings, which require the viewer to physically move in space to see the large work. In this work, scale in the painting conveys meaning, and in this work by Giacometti, the figure is distorted. The media that can be used are endless, but a few are photography, digital work, drawing and painting, fashion and architectural design, and illustration.